In this next series of episodes, we are going to dispel some design myths. Design myth number 1, bedroom furniture should match. There is nothing wrong with a matching suite of bedroom furniture. It's been with us for a long time, and as a foundation for a bedroom, it will always be a classic. Matching isn't all wrong, and in this room we chose 3 matching pieces. The neutral look of these lets us have fun, experimenting, bouncing off other, more individual pieces. Now let's see what happens when we get creative and mix it up. Where is it written that nightstands have to match, or even be nightstands? In this room, we've mixed it up by choosing this deep blue accent chest for one side of the bed. From this chest, all kinds of ideas flow. It makes a space to create a mix of art and fabrics and light that leads to this bold and sleek blue chair that sits on a rug with a pattern of soft blues. On the other side of the bed, we've used a fresh white rustic table, a contrast to the chest that creates a bright and warm corner. And finally, we added this nice bench at the end of the bed, just what we needed to finish this mismatched beauty. It all adds up to a unique and unexpected look. So when you think bedroom furniture, stretch beyond the bedroom suite. Use it as a foundation, but have fun mixing it up.